here on the Guac Gamers channel. I'm here with my good friend SpaghettiSauce once again, and today we are playing rounds, but this time we're playing crazy unbound rounds. We're going modded. This is gonna be crazy. Okay. We can do two different modes. So you've got sandbox, deathmatch, or team deathmatch. So we're gonna do this. Okay, let's go. I'm in.
I'm not.
There you are. Let's go. See this is a lot better of a system. I'd like to say because it's a lot better. I have to create one because there are none. So I'm just gonna make a quick original spaghetti head. Actually, no, I'm gonna make a new guy. I'm gonna make
a French guy.
A French guy.
French.
I'm gonna make him wear a top hat. No, I'm going with the original spaghetti head. My other detail was his eyes. What? His mouth was like that. Right? That's him, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. We're in this game. Look, okay, so a lot of them don't have. Look at that. Look at this. This is so crazy. This is so crazy, man.
Steady shot. That's
no. Some of them are originals from the original game, but some of them are crazy, like this card.
I would pick that.
+3 jumps.
What?
Some of them don't have pictures, just so you're aware. It's not like your screen glitching out or anything. I actually know what this does. It changes the ability each time you play, which is really cool. These are really cool mods. Bro, thanks to everybody.
Ground pound. Slam yourself into the ground.
Okay. Oh, look at this bewitching. Stun.
Your bullet shock targets for 1 second. Wild card randomly increases speed at. Gain a random treasure if you. Blocking pushes enemies away. Every 5 seconds automatically apply 12 packs to nearby enemies.
Okay, we're trying to speed it up. Okay, we're gonna see what my card is. Look at whoa! What in the world?
Does that mean?
What does that mean? 12 X. Am I like slow now? Wait, pause. Give me a second, please. I wanna see what I got. You get a new one? What do I get? More bullets, speed, reload time. Oh my! Whoa! I get some kind of cloud. Look at this. Whoa, I got cloud effects, man, for my creepy card. Man, creepy card. What does that hex mean? What are you doing to me, man? Oh, no, I gotta stay out of the circle, I think it is. Never mind. It just fell off. Jesus, Look at these cool maps, man. Look at these new maps. So cool.
Don't sniff.
Wait, what is my new attack?
Don't sniff.
Don't sniff them.
What?
More movement speed? That's all it gives me, man? Oh, I don't like that, man. Yeah, I don't like my... This is... I shouldn't have chosen.
Wait, that's the bottom of the map?
For right now, if you're close to you. What? No! Dang! I shouldn't have chose that, man. I chose the wrong thing, right? What is this? Ooh, +4 per hit. A lot lower gravity. You get 25 plus ammo. Let's go! 25 ammo, man.
What'd you get this time?
Let's go. It tells me. Blocking tosses enemies. Okay, I bet. Look at my bullets!
So you basically have rapid fire. I don't know what I have.
Let's go! This is crazy. 25 ammo. Let's go. Wait, what did I get this time? I'm just gonna leave it there. It's +10 ammo. I get even more ammo. Let's go. Oh, but I have 12 hex. I don't know what that means. Does it stay with me? Oh, gives you a random exotic
Cloak
card.
and Jen. What?
Oh no! Oh no, that's really good.
Wait, how?
It increases by 15% by each match point.
But what if I don't get a lot of match points? Gives you a random.
We'll see what it is.
It gives me a random exotic.
It's a cool map, man.
Wait, I want to see which exotic card I got. I want to see which exotic.
You didn't get it.
No, it gives me a free exotic card.
Shield 30 health on blocking. Jeez, that's really good.
Ooh. Ah, what am I doing? I'm trying to give you a hex.
You healed all your health when you blocked. What did I even get? Oh, I got dazzled. I don't like that card that like changes every time. I thought I would,
but it's giving me.
Dang. Oh, what
not
good. Hex? What does that mean?
I don't know.
If you get like 100 hex, does it like
Kill you?
Why can't I shoot you, man? Oh, there we go.
What? Went the
Wait, no,
blue?
you got.
Wait. Oh, because I blocked.
Oh
my.
That's why it's good sometimes. What did I get this time? Oh, frost. Okay, that's not that good. I think it only does original cards, but we'll see. Let's go. Yep. There we go. I'm winning. Oh, strawberry cat.
Mortal enemy of watermelon cat. Flex damage. Damaging enemies makes you do an extra block. Nova drift.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Oh.
Yes! You missed the one! There was one there that said plus 300 health. And you missed it.
Wait, there was?
Yeah. I was like, oh my. And I thought you were going to get that one, but you didn't.
I thought, because when I went,
I was trying to fool you, man.
I'm going to give you a hat. Yeah.
No! My beautiful. What is this? What does it give me?
Wait, what did I get this time?
No, I get.
What did I get?
You don't get anything.
Yeah, I get a free exotic every time.
Exotic was this. It doesn't change.
Yes, it said every round you get an exotic.
It's right here. It says
Gives you a random exotic card.
every turn, man.
Oh.
Oh, I changed color. I'm like blue now. Like dark. I don't know where it's from.
This is confusing.
Oh, now I'm back to regular color. I guess that's what text does for me. What do I get?
Shotgun.
Shotgun. That's not that good. I have already.
Number of bullets. It gives you 8 bullets.
Double ammo. Double ammo. Look
Wait.
at my bullets. Just watch this.
Wait.
Look at my bullets. I can have a I just
And then
need
I have
something at
3.
rapid fire. I just need something at rapid fires. By the way, it only goes to 3 right now. But when someone wins, they just. But why? I guess my reload time is really long or something because. What is my special ability, man? What is my special ability? What? Oh, Hex like does damage to you, I guess.
Maybe it stuns you.
Okay. Oh wait, it's not gonna tell me. Oh, I got 2 double mags.
Oh!
What? What? And you still beat me? That Hex thing must be crazy then. I'm staying here. Grants movement speed. I don't really like movement speed. No. You can't win this, man. You can't win this. I must win.
But what
Oh no! No! No!
Yes!
It doesn't count as a winning. You just keep getting points.
Oh.
Technically, you won that round. Ooh, more regen.
Bullet.
Fireworks.
You haven't even seen that one. Stuns and silence.
I don't even know what that means, but we're gonna see. Willpower. I have will. What? What does that mean? I have 2 versions of myself now.
Wait,
What? What?
wait, what?
Did I just break the game on accident? Wait, what is that? Willpower. There's 2 of them, man. But I can't control the other version. Wait. Pause. Oh! That's so weird. Either I joined another person. What is that? 100% willpower mean, man? I get like technically an extra life, but it's weird. It's weird. I don't like that. I'm choosing the wrong ones.
I mean, oh my
I could get hex too.
I want to see your bullets. Oh my! Wait, how am I dying? Wait, yeah, I think that's another map.
You got me?
Wait.
How do I even shoot?
Why are you?
Wait, but this guy can't win? How does that work?
Wait.
What? I think I kind of broke
Just
the game.
kill it. Just kill it.
I can't move anymore. Okay, we're gonna restart, guys. Okay.
I was doing way too good that round.
Yeah. Restart. Or oh yeah, we have to click the buttons.
Yeah.
Just click it again. There we go.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, sorry about that crazy viewers, but if you saw that, that was crazy. Oh my god, that was crazy. 20 bullets.
Infinite bullet show. Or slow. Or show. Or whatever.
Slow.
Monkey dodge.
Monkey dodge.
Does that even
Ring.
get
Get ready to catch it once it comes back. No thanks.
Phoenix. Respawn once on.
It's in the original base game, so I wouldn't put my
Better get ready. Nope.
Ooh.
When life.
Seconds damage taken over, which means like I'm not gonna help you though. Oh, you put a little eye in the middle. I didn't know.
Yeah. For when life's worth
It's got the
living.
beard and the god.
For when life's worth living. Was that right?
Yeah, it was secret card. I mean, I don't know what it does. We'll see.
If that's wrong,
I don't know. I just wanted to see.
and if I lose because of that card, I'm blaming you.
No, you can't go there. Wait, but look at how little damage mine does. Oh, because it does it over 10 seconds. That's smart. You're just slowly taking damage, and it's over 10 seconds.
What?
No, it's good. You just use like a really offensive image. Oh boy. Why am I the one with the next to me?
Okay. Monkey, get out of my way.
What? How Why are you
Because of my thing I got.
Now I just gotta hit you enough times and then run away. What? See, that's the good thing. You get 10 seconds before I get you.
I can still.
You hit yourself.
No.
Because you're slowly taking damage. Look, see?
Wait, am I ever gonna get out of it?
No, because you just have to go after me before you die. It's good because you would either die quickly or die like slowly. Got beat again.
When it
Oh, that's crazy. That's kind of crazy.
toss and drop shot. Bullet.
Oh, the dimensional shuffle. It's a totally new, different type of card. Look, the barriers.
I'm gonna see what it does.
This is crazy.
SLDI.
Okay.
Will die.
Thanks. Okay, so let's see what it does. Just when you block. Watch when you block.
Oh, it blocks.
So like, here's. Oh no, I shouldn't give you the idea. If you just fall off the map, you can switch with me right before you do it.
Oops. Wait, what?
You got stuck in the wall. You keep hitting yourself with your own bullets, and now you can
Switch.
bro. But as soon as you get hit by my bullets, you want to go after me because you'll just start taking damage.
Ah!
No! You saved!
This is. Ooh, I have an idea.
One hit!
Whee! What are you? Wait. I'm not swapping. I'm not swapping.
You just swapped us right.
No, don't freeze me! Please don't freeze me!
What? No, it's because you got that 10 seconds, man. Okay, let's see what I get. Whoa!
Coca-Cola. Why?
Wait, when you block, you get increased player stats.
Wait.
Uh,
Wait. Dr. Pepper.
I get lifesteal, I get everything, man. Look at my bullets. They look like clouds, kind of like my cloud gun. Look at how much damage you're gonna be taking now. You can't hear it on the take it. Like,
Swap!
you gotta go after it. Oh look! It shows all of our, well at least mine. Oh my! You're kidding! Wait, pause. Wait, do you have fast bullets? Can I just have the controller? Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. I can't shoot because of mine. Wait, let me see how you're doing. Okay, wait. You just don't shoot high enough. That thing's hanging by that little thing. You can try and shoot it down. I was trying to.
Yes, sir!
No, man.
Point to blue.
I was trying to go easy on you there, bro. See, I don't have that 10 seconds, right?
Why are you running?
Now I run.
Wait! I didn't mean to do that! Ah! Swap!
You made
I
yourself
couldn't
swap
swap.
to the other side of the board.
Ding! Whenever you start or finish reloading, the all damage.
Oh, you get one of those. Oh, do that one. Oh, 0 gravity bullets. 0 gravity.
Wait. What is that?
Oh boy. Shoot your bullet. Shoot a bullet. It'll never touch the ground, I'm pretty sure, if it works correctly. Yeah, it never touches the ground. Woo! So it just shoots straight wherever you want it to.
I have an idea. Wait.
You're taking damage.
Yeah?
Yeah, can't you see it? Your health is going down.
I can't do nothing about nothing.
Oh, I got the strat. Oh,
I
what,
got
you can't go there.
the better strat.
No. Oh, that's what I was trying to do. You're stuck in there. And you're taking damage, so goodbye.
Ah! Wait, you didn't shoot me though. You didn't hit me.
The ground.
Ping.
Oh,
Double.
Oh, I know what to do. This one. Your block awakens.
What does that
You
mean?
can move backwards. It says more back pedal, I guess. So move backwards. I don't know how it works. I don't know.
What?
It could have been useless. I don't know.
Whee! Wait, why didn't it swap?
Because I block. I can counterattack your attack, or else it would be too powerful. Your bullets don't even come down. They just stay in space. My weapon is really good. This card, whatever that is.
GG. Oh my god!
No, you're not. So that.
Do 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 do.
I gotta run away. You're taking
Oh my god!
Yeah. Don't do that. Keep saying that too many times.
I can't say God? Can you at least come down so I have a chance? Wait,
I get what you said. But I'm still gonna win.
you're being generous. Is that what you said?
This card's incredibly good. Now all I do is wait.
For what?
I don't do anything.
What?
Wait, I forget how it works. There we go.
Ah! Wait, what does that do?
Look, your health is going down.
Wait, why?
Oh, no! You still lost.
How?
Look, it's because you got that thing that says after 10 seconds you take damage. You'd be dying instantly if you didn't, but now it's happening over 10 seconds.
Wait, every 10?
So you just gotta go all offensive mode, try and go after me, like with all your power. And that's how you do it. You just can't retreat, because like, then I'll get you. Bye-bye. No! And you were so close to dying. Well, no, it's tied. Come on.
Nano machines. You have two of the completely different ones.
Ooh, that's actually really good.
Sprint. Tractor beam. An opponent toward you. So if you hit me, I get pulled toward you.
I don't know if I'm gonna. Oh, you're not sure. I guess. Since I have so many, it's kind of like it's gonna hit you. Guaranteed. What?
Yes, sir.
Stop doing that. You sound like a primate, no joke. Bye-bye.
Wait, what do you mean by bye? Because then I can swap. Oh, I forgot my bullets don't go down. Wait. What just happened? So now.
I never tell you. Ha 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 ha. She's getting happy. What? You didn't even take damage.
Yeah. Yeah, because I blocked it.
No, I missed. What is that noise?
Nista.
You're taking damage. blocking.
Oh no. Oh no.
Let's go.
Do boomerang.
No, I'm good. I win. I win. It actually doesn't really go that fast, but now I'm really slow for some reason.
Guys. Wait.
You're in it, and you're taking damage.
Wait, I am. Oh.
I'm so slow. No, change mode, man. So that's in that.
I'm stuck. I go. Wait, how? Do you not gain health? Do you not gain health?
Why do I only have 3 bullets?
Oh.
You're taking damage now because you got my saw. So I feel hot. No! I'm so slow in the other one.
I couldn't shoot you, but I still won.
You still won. You still have that 10-second thing. This is all because of how I got at the beginning.
I'm good on modded. Wait.
No, you just
Hey! What have you done to me? What are you doing to me? What have you done to me? What are you doing?
you
Wait.
won. You won because you got that like. Okay, last one. We're going to 3 this time, okay? We got this.
Come on. I haven't gotten an effect in a bit. Monkey. What do I get?
You were literally just talking about monkey. Pack bullets.
Slack. Seal. Hitting a
that's
target.
Pack bullets.
Pack bullets. Bullets wrap around the edge of the screen. Damage done to you is dealt over 4 seconds. Why would I want that?
No, it's not. That's good. Yours was 10 seconds, which was a lot better. But slap your friends. Slap them. Slap them. Slap them, man.
I don't know what I want.
Just do it, man. It's always time. Oh, I would have chose slap because it's got like 300% knockback. There's a 3rd player. Oh, it's this dude. It's this.
Give him bad ones. Give him drop shot.
Oh, he got machine gun.
Give him.
Oh, he also got really bouncy bullets.
How did the person who's not playing get the best out of all of us?
Okay, well he blew himself up now. What did I get?
Spaghetti. I forgot what I got. What did I get?
A mere block cooldown.
Wait, there's 3. There's 3. Okay, he's. Imagine he gets a point because we're just fighting and
Let's go!
and then one of us just.
Oh, that would be really good if you just later in the game.
Blocking
What is
temporarily.
this? What is this? Become a being of pure chaos.
Repel.
Let's
Now
see
I'm
what it
chaos.
is.
Give him.
Actual bullets.
Yeah,
Okay.
because then we can one-shot him off the bounce. Wait. How do you move? Why am I vibrating? Like, look at my character.
He's shaking a little bit. Oh, I guess you're pure chaos now. So I guess you're like. Oh look at the chaos didn't do anything for you, but make you shake. But you got him. You're really good now.
Ah! I can't control my character.
I'm I'm scared actually. Oh wait, you just died. I don't even get it.
What? Look at me.
You just. I'm coming for you, AI.
What if it wins?
Let's go. One more and I win. Whoa. Okay, that's a bad one. 300 health. Ah! We just gave him health.
Mood juice. I can't. Hello? What?
There you go. Oh, Poppy Chaos. Get more chaos. Get more
Chaos!
He's becoming pure chaos.
Look at me.
Look at how big he is.
Me? Oh.
Oh my!
Wait, is that
Yeah, that's yours. You get everything. What is it? Pause. What is your effect?
mine? Don't even know.
Wait.
I died?
No, yeah. No. I want to see what yours is. Okay. It says. Oh no! It gives you different effects each time. Please stop. Sorry. I'm just gonna read it.
Space.
There we go.
I don't know how I want to win. When I spawn next to
Your bullets. What? Your bullets are like different each time. Where's the guy?
Wait, if you win? What if you win?
Wait, I thought I.
What if you
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, thank you for coming.
And if you watch this whole video, you're crazy. Bye!